Alright boys, welcome back. Day 2 of Miami. Oh my god. What is this? Oh bro, I need to wash my bike. Anyways, welcome back to the video guys. It's your boy Hollywood here. And we got the boy Phantom S1K. We got the boy Moon. We got the boy that 1R6 and myself. We got the boy Goblin out there. Came way up from north, driving through all the snow. But today is the ghost meet. And right now we're about to get some food. I need to go get some drone shots, and then after that, I don't know what we're going to get into until the ghost meet, because it's currently 1:25. So we have a very long time for the ghost meet. We got about 7 hours. And yeah, so I'm going to bring you guys along. Stay tuned and drop the drone footage in 3, 2, 1. Let's get it. So we're about to pull up to the pre-ride right now. This is the pre-ride hosted by Rafa and Nez, the homies, the OGs. I miss the boys. I can't wait to see them. There's people leaving already. There's still a shit ton of people over there. It is. I think all the content creators are over there as well. But yeah, this pre-ride is about to be crazy. I'm probably not going to record it because I looked at some footage from earlier that got absolutely destroyed. There's so much wind noise coming in. And then plus all the bikes, you're probably not going to be able to even hear me, so I'm not going to record till I get to the event, maybe. I don't know. We'll see. What the actual fuck? Alright, now we got to find Phantom. There he is. What's good, my boy?
Got Hollywood right here.
Got the boy Phantom. Got the boy Lonzo in front of me. Fresh white boots. Oh my god. Where's Joey? We went to get rollers. Where's Joey at? Joey here?
Huh?
Is Joey here?
I don't know.
Yeah, everybody. I say everybody. But a good little bit of people. Alright, we're at the Ghost event, and there's so much fucking merch back here, bro. This is what it's like when you support the homies. Alright, I got the boy FLG right there, got the armor right here, got all the Ghost stuff. There's Willie. Say what's up to the vlog. I'm about to walk around a little bit, try to get a better POV for you guys. But as you can see, it's pretty fucking lit, pretty busy.
I'm not that cool.
Got a boy Lewis. Hey. Hello. Vlog exception right now.
What's going
on, vlog? It's your boy Hollywood here.
I need one of those.
I'm talking to Lewis Mike. Hopefully this is good. We're at the Ghost Meet right now. I'm still vlogging. Alright, we're at the Ghost Meet right now, and it's pretty fucking packed. MVP already has no more free pants. So MVP has no more free pants, and yeah, the Ghost line is pretty fucking long. There's people everywhere. There's a lot of fucking jobs being smoked right now. Oh, we gotta get the fucking light up my black ass. Yeah. So.
Today on Channel 9.
Yo!
What's up, baby?
Yo!
Hey, what's up, bro?
What's good?
Good to see you, man.
Man, I haven't seen you all weekend, and now you're finally here. This man, no, hold on. This man hosted a free ride and wasn't there. Come on.
I did pull up. You left. I saw you leave. You left early.
Yeah, everybody was leaving early.
Oh, good. What the hell?
The boy got him. I don't know if you guys can fucking hear me or not, but we got the homie S1K Kobe here. Love the older gen S1Ks. I miss mine. Every time I see an older one, I miss mine. We got Blondie's bike. Finally put back together. I actually don't know why she took these fairings off. I think it looks good for a girl's bike. For a girl's bike. It really screams, I'm just a girl. We got the homie Lonzo's blade again. One of the cleanest blade builds I've seen so far. I like the yellow. I've thought about doing yellow for the Ducati. Because if you don't know, like there's older Ducatis that came OEM yellow, and I kind of think about wrapping it that. I don't know, we'll see. Let me know what you think down in the comments. And we got the homie Suzuki Dave right here. Hell yeah, the boy, free that boy, he out. I found the homie Zay. His CBR looks really clean with his blue. It's pretty fucking mint. Homie, you need to fucking clean your shit, alright? I'm on your ass, boy. I am on your ass. But no, for real, I love the color. And then I think this is Tucker's R1 right here. Tucker's white R1. It's rattle can spray paint R1. And to be honest with you, it don't look fucking bad. A lot of people were talking shit about him rattle canning his fucking fairings, but it don't look fucking bad in person, alright? Y'all get off my boy. What's up, D? Monkey? It's Hollywood!
You got a rubber on your fucking bike?
Bro, there's so much fucking rubber on my bike right now. Like, what the fuck, bro? I'm just saying, like, all this rubber on my bike. Like, somebody did a fucking burnout over here. Fuck, bro.
It comes right off. I don't know where, though. Where the fuck did it come from?
Somebody was doing a burnout somewhere over here. We gotta get out of here. We gotta go to Awful House. Oh, man, where the fuck out of the way? Come on now. See me struggling.
meet you there.
All right. What's up? Oh, I ain't got my CARDO on. It's Blondie. Oh, I think that's a cop. Undercover. To go only? Man, hell no. Alright, I gotta fucking see. Alright guys, so we had to get out of there from that meet, but we just pulled up to get some food. We're downtown Fort Lauderdale right now. They got a bunch of spots around here. Honestly, I'm probably gonna go to this pizza place. I love pizza. And yeah, so if you guys enjoyed the video, hit the like button, subscribe, share. Comment down below your favorite part of the video, even though it was a little put together and chaotic, but yeah, where you get, ride safe. Don't forget, keep chasing greatness, and I'll catch you guys next video. Peace.